Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through the steps of how to install one of these windshield banners on your vehicle. To get this started off, we're going to need a couple things. We got a clean microfiber towel here. We got 71% alcohol in a spray bottle. A knife that's going to be included with our banners, same as a squeegee, and then you're also going to need some masking tape. So these two things are included with it. It's going to look a little bit different than this one here, but some tape, rag, and some alcohol. You can also stand inside your jams, inside your doors here, but I like to just grab a small stand. For me, it makes it a little bit easier and easy to reach. Cleaning your windshield is also probably the most important part here. It's pretty boring, but you just want to make sure that you really scrub this window as clean as possible. This is going to ensure that your decals are going to stay. Now our window's nice and clean. We want to put a piece of tape up on the passenger side. We also want to put one up on our driver's side. You'll roughly want to position this side here. And this, I'm going to use the full length of this. So I'm going to line up just to the top of the windshield to make it simple on myself. Put that down there temporarily. I'm going to find the top of my glass. I'm going to put my piece of tape. Easiest way I found to know exactly where to lay this down at is just grab our tape and rip it. This way, this is going to stay on our transfer paper and we know exactly where it needs to lay down at. So I'm going to peel this off of our backing paper. And I'm going to create a tail. This way I can reach it from the other side. Now you're just going to slightly want to pull towards yourself and line your tape up and let your graphic back down. I'm also going to tack this up here at the edge. This way I can make a spot that I can pull from that side and I don't go without being picked up. Your decal with the backing paper on it, you want to give a little bit of tension towards yourself. This way it's going to ensure that this graphic's going to actually lay flat going across here. And I'm going to grab my backing paper, I'm going to start peeling this off. Once you get out to your tape, you can remove this off again. Set that out of the way. Pull off the back, rest of the back. Now if you have any small wrinkles, you can grab your decal and lift back up on it and let it lay down. This has pressure sensitive adhesive, so what that means is it's not actually sticky until you squeegee over that area. Now it's laid nice and flat. I'm going to start here at my center, and I'm just going to have an angle my squeegee down pretty far from the center and work out towards the edge. You're just going to work out towards yourself. This way, in case you would get a wrinkle, you can still pull out here from the edge and get it out. And once you get to your edge over here, most windows are going to be recessed. You're going to pick up in your graphic. And this way, it'll feed that vinyl into that recess without tension. Same thing over here, starting from the center, working out towards myself. Now we ensure everything's laid down. I'm going to grab my knife here. We're going to use just the end of the blade and we're going to rest this against the edge of the glass. You don't want to go too deep with this because you don't want to cut anything that's underneath it there. Try to peel off your down good around the edges. We're going to grab our transfer paper, typically at a corner here, and you want to lay this flat on itself. But what I mean is, you don't want to pull the transfer paper straight up. You want to lay it back on itself and just a slow, steady pull. I want to lay it flat for two reasons. This way you can see if anything else is coming with it, and it also lets it release easier from the decal that's underneath it as well. You want to pull this over so you can get it from the other side again. And there we have it. Now our windshield banner is completely done. I'll tell you as well, you want to wait at least 48 hours before you use your wipers. The adhesive needs time to set up properly, and also if it's cold, it can take longer as well.